Does your daily brushing routine feel like a chore? Are you tired of wondering if your toothbrush is doing enough for your dental health? Meet the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300, the toothbrush that's about to change everything. With up to 62,000 brush movements per minute, this toothbrush gently breaks up plaque, leaving your teeth cleaner than ever before. Say goodbye to gum damage. The built-in pressure sensor alerts you and adjusts vibrations, ensuring a perfect safe clean every time. Customize your brushing with 3 modes: clean, white, and gum care, and 3 intensity levels to match your needs. Whether you're at home or on the go, the travel case and long-lasting battery make oral care simple and stylish. Cleaner teeth, healthier gums, and a brighter smile, all thanks to the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300. Transform your oral care routine today. Click the link in the description to get yours now. Video